Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tausif Salim and you are watching a bit different interiors. YouTube family, today I am going to show you some new colors of 3D foam sheet. Also I am going to show you one of my project which I have recently done. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so you're never going to miss any of our videos. So guys, let's get started. So YouTube family, let me show you new colors of 3D foam sheet. The new color of 3D foam sheet, the first one is the black color, black 3D bricks. The size of this sheet is 27 inches by 30 inches. Here's another new color of 3D foam sheet, shocking pink color. The size of this sheet is also the same, 27 inches by 30 inches. Here's another new design. It's a wood panel, chestnut brown color. The size of this sheet is 27 inches by 27 inches. If you like any of our design, just take a screenshot. This is also a new design of 3D foam sheet. It's called Illusion design. The color of this sheet is steel grey. You can use it horizontally. You can also use this sheet vertically. The size of this sheet is 27 inches by 27 inches.